Blue sky as we leave Mt Rintoul Hut. We're above the clouds on day 57. 3 of us going up Rintoul today. It's meant to be a little bit sketchy with some scree and such, but no wind, so we should be good. Just come down off that lip where we were stopped. There's the view. There's the rest of Rintoul. And we've got to go back up to that marker up there. And out of the cloud comes Billy Go Gruff, allowing us to pass today.
Yeah, so that the landscape, the ecosystem is considered as a whole.
No. Coming into this lady's hut. Not a bad little view. We've just come down that ridgeline over there. We've sidled across underneath this ridgeline. Havelock hut. Even in the middle of nowhere, you find arseholes who just dump their washing into the sink and expect someone to clean it up. Day 58, Havelock Hut. Let's go downhill.
Oh, my poles.
Big descent today, and then a big climb to end the day. So fun. There's that for a view. Forecast for today, 0% chance of rain. Yeah, I guess it's drizzle. Well, I bet there would be great views from here. Right, we've just come off the back of this unnamed hill. It was the last climb of any major we got in the South Island. We're up over 1,000 metres. We did 700 to get here. Now it's down, 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 all the way to the cafe. Trees over, so we've got all this fern growth that we're having to push through. Makes it hard and slow. Wow, look at that, a view. Haven't seen many of them in the last couple of days. And here we are, 9 hours later, Midi Hut. We'll see how this works out.
Getting water for the hut and for our dinner.
Day 59, and we're up in the dark and lost already because we want a sausage roll. So, day 59. The question is, why were we starting walking in the dark? Well, Ilke found a way where we can pull back some of the time we lost earlier in the trip. So we've been pushing a little bit harder the last couple of days to get to an extra hut in the Richmonds. We're out of the Richmonds now, we're sidling along the Flores River. So we're going to go hard again. There's a bonus today if we can get to the Flores Bridge where we're staying tonight before 4 o'clock. There's a well-renowned cafe that apparently will serve us food, yummy town food, and let us charge some devices for a charge. So that's our goal today as a fantail comes swooping around. And the grinder's on. Two and a half hours in, how are you feeling? Just bumped into a guy we'd seen before who gave us an update on the COVID situation. Looks like there's been a bit of an outbreak in Auckland that they're struggling to get the cap on, so going to Wellington to do the North Island is now a questionable thing. So we've got 3.5 days to get to Ship Cove, and by then we'll be able to have a bit more of an idea of what things are looking like. Location please, Ilke Musters.
Flores Bridge and there's a cafe there.
We are out of the Richmond Ranges. Arriving at today's motivation. Flores Bridge Cafe. It's not always the sights and sounds that drive you, sometimes it's your stomach.
Got our tent site, number 15.
So we're cooking dinner in the middle of this beautiful dock facility which we have almost to ourselves. Tomorrow night's burgers, we've already had cake twice. Day 60, first day of March. 3.5 days till Ship Cove. Camped last night. Discovered we need to start the day in long pants in sandfly zones. Not such an issue at altitude and in huts. We're on our way to Havelock for lunch, 20 odd kilometres away. Over there in the distance, you may not see it, is the start of the Marlborough Sounds. Start at Pelora Sound. And we're still walking. Port town of Havelock. We in port towns always have fish and chips, unless it's the green lit mussel capital of the world.
Very good.
By to Havelock. St Charlotte Tavern. The end.